Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix media keeps stopping error on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. Click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings. Click on this option, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.